shit, to this shit.
Hi guys, my name is Pragna Kohli. I am 25 years old, professional cricketer playing for a well-known club in Mumbai. I am going to share my story of what I was and what I am today. So please watch the video until the end to believe on the fact that age is just a number that cannot separate your dreams from you. Cricket. This word is in my mind, my body and my soul. I was 18 years old when I first got a brilliant opportunity to play my favorite sport. I was quite famous in my colony for being the only girl who used to play cricket with boys. Through one of my neighbors, I got a chance to expose my talent to the world. I was going to play for Lodha Group. Lodha is a well-known real estate group in Mumbai. I met my first cricket coach there on the ground. We had a great conversation. He told me Lodha Group is sponsoring everything starting from your cricket kit to your fees. He told me you just have to come and practice the sport. I was very happy. I was actually on the cloud nine that day. However, due to personal reasons, I couldn't go. I couldn't grab that brilliant opportunity which people on the grassroots level are dying today. After missing the stunning opportunity, I never thought of cricket. I never looked back. I started completing my degree. I started working somewhere, earning enough money for living, but yet I was feeling incomplete. I was feeling that something is missing out from my life. It was the time of summer vacations. 2 years back, I received a text message on my mobile phone stating that if you wish to pursue your career in cricket, please call on the below mentioned number. I was astonished by the message. After receiving the text message, I started thinking of the opportunity I had already missed. Normally, 23 years of age is not a great age to start your career in cricket because cricket takes a lot of hard work, patience, dedication and the pain you go through mentally and physically. I didn't care about those who spoke negative to me. I was very happy practicing something I love since my childhood. At the age of 23, I still didn't know cricket is my passion. I was only practicing the sport because it was making me happy inside out. Cricket is something you cannot win in a year or two. You have to show up every single day. For some, it may take 10 years. For some, it may take 5 years. Nevertheless, I started doing something which was next to impossible. I did not give up. One day, I was surfing on the internet reading about the great leaders. I came across this thought which Nelson Mandela said. He said, there is no passion to be found playing small and settling for a life that's less than the one you are capable of living. This thought changed my perspective in an extreme positive manner. Without consistency, you will never finish. So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. Because if you can dream it, you can do it. Virat Kohli made his debut on 18th of August in 2008. Today in 2021, he is in the list of top 3 best batsmen in the world. It took him 10 years, more than 10 years to be where he is today. Thomas Edison, he is an American inventor. He created 1000 failed experiments because the 1001st was the light bulb. Every failed experiment is one step closer to success. You got to take risks. You will fail. You will lose. Accept it at some point in your life. There is not just one day, but many days when I feel fatigued, exhausted, sick and tired of. I don't stop. I don't give up. And there's nothing in this world that can stop me. I prayed. I prayed every day. I worked harder and harder. But yet, I was not selected for any tournament. Here is the thing. I did not quit. I walked out and I prepared for the next selection, for the next opportunity, for the next chance. But I failed. I failed and I kept failing. Sometimes it takes 10 years to get that 1 year that will change your life. And yes, this year was that 1 year that will change my life. I did catch a break. I did catch a break for something that would boost my career. Here is the kicker. The selection was at the same ground where I first thought of being a cricketer, with my first cricket coach who had given me the opportunity to play for Lodha Group. And guess what? I was selected in the playing 11 as an all-rounder. I was dancing on the ground because that feeling when you hear your name in the selected playing 11, that feeling is unreal. I started putting more efforts. I doubled my strength training. But there is a twist. We hear the news of second wave of COVID-19. All the sports complex, grounds, academies were closed, and so is my huge tournament. Today, being a Mumbai Cricket Association registered player, passionately waiting for that one chance. Just remember guys, ups and downs are always there in our life. The only thing that matters is our determination and passion towards our dreams. I would like to thank RH Sports Management for giving me this opportunity to share my unsinkable story. RH Sports Management is all about organizing various sports events, creating sports tourism, opening sports academies, pay and play venues, promoting sports infrastructures and much more. And it's soon gonna arrive in the city of Lucknow. So stay tuned. Don't forget to dream big by recreating infinity with fun.